Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G55 and let me show you how to fix app crashing. So, if your app is stuck for some unknown reason and you cannot use it properly, start with checking the updates. So at first, find and select your Play Store. Go to list of all apps and enroll updates and check if it's not on this list. Because if it is, you can smoothly update it and then it should work smoothly and properly. If it's not this issue, so either if you couldn't find your app there or you updated it and it still is not responding, just open your Play Store again, or you can do it also from settings. So let me enroll settings to show you a different way to do it. So go to apps, pick this app that is not answering and click on force stop. Tap on OK, and that's it. Now reopen this app and it should work properly. However, if it still doesn't, you can smoothly go back to your Play Store from your app list. From your app list, select the particular one and just mark, maybe not this one, but let's do it with YouTube Music. Just uninstall it, tap on uninstall and wait till it's done. Now you will be able to install it again. Just go back to search area, enter YouTube, it was YouTube Music. Okay, so here we've got update, but at first, as you can see, it would be undownloaded. And then again, if it's still not working, there is like most common way you can actually start with it, which is restarting your device. Just tap on power button and with volume up button, tap and hold. Hold it for around 10 seconds. And once you see your Motorola logo, just remove both fingers from buttons and wait till it's rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.